Good day everyone. Our lesson for today is about the steps in using the microwave oven. Ngayon malalaman ninyo kung paano ang tamang paggamit ng microwave oven natin sa bahay. So the first step in using the microwave oven is number 1, place the microwave on a stable and dry surface. Tulad ng mesa natin sa bahay na malapit dapat sa outlet or sa convenience outlet. Number 2, check the microwave including its parts and features. So titingnan nyo muna bago mo gagamitin. Check mo kung okay ba yung plate, yung lagayan, then yung loob, yung labas, then yung cord, and the male plug of the microwave oven. Okay ba yung mga switches ng oven natin? Kapag sinet, okay ba? So you will check the oven in and out kung working ba ito lahat. Para naman sa ating step number 3, you will plug in the microwave oven directly to the wall outlet. So after checking the features of your microwave oven in and out, so meaning okay na siya, wala siyang sira, pwede mo na siyang i-plug in sa convenience outlet. Step number 4, what you will do is to arrange the food items in a covered dish, in a ceramic or glass bowl, and cover the dish with a lid or plastic wrap. So kung ano man yung gusto mong i-reheat, kailangan nakalagay siya sa glass bowl or sa ceramic. Then huwag niyong ilalagay yung mga plastic na lagayan kasi baka masunog unless meron nakalagay na it is a microwavable. So the last step, step number 5, warm the food one at a time and mix or rotate food midway through the microwaving time. So pwede mong i-rotate, paikutin para even ang pagkakainit natin, pagkaka-reheat sa food natin. Then, you can use a food thermometer to check if the food has reached its required cooking temperature. So, kung yung gusto mong cooking temperature or yung nakaset talaga na cooking temperature ng isang food na iniinit mo, kung yung microwave oven mo is walang temperature setting, pwede ka namang gumamit ng food temperature or food thermometer, I mean. Siyempre, nais kong pasalamatan ang wikihow.live, ang writer po ng ating caregiving module week 2 ng SDO Caloocan, and the creativecommons.org. Maraming salamat po. And that ends our lesson for today regarding sa steps in using the microwave oven. So hanggang sa muli, thank you and happy learning.